You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more Slavic names, Croatian names in particular, make sure to stay tuned. I got tons more for you coming up at the end of the video, from Croatian, Slavic more generally. Dejan is how you pronounce it, so the Croatian pronunciation, Dejan, the J is pronounced more like a Y here. Dejan, if you cannot pronounce this correctly, perfectly Croatian, you can say it in English, the pronunciation, how to pronounce Dejan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.